In the foggy alleys of old London town, Krampus trades his chains for a butcher's crown. Cat's meat on skewers, dripping red and raw. He peddles the flesh, defying the law. Whiskers in the shadows, felines gather near. Krampus the vendor, spreading holiday fear. Oh, Krampus cat's meat man, oh, Krampus cat's meat man, selling scraps of sin in his twisted plan. Horseflesh for the hungry, poison in the bite, naughty souls for supper in the dead of night. Oh, the demon, he carves with delight an eternal trait, no end in sight. From the Alps he wandered, seeking new employ. Cat's meat cart creaking, bringing twisted joy. Children peek from windows, cats with glowing eyes. Krampus whispers bargains under stormy skies. Awful in the buckets, hearts that once beat strong. His new field of terror where the weak don't belong. Krampus calls from the street, meat man of nightmares where the damned ones meet. Feeling feast eternal in the vendor's grasp. No more switches whipping, just the cleaver's clasp. Krampus cat's meat man, oh, Krampus cat's meat man, selling scraps of sin in his twisted plan. Horseflesh for the hungry, poison in the bite, naughty souls for supper in the dead of night. Ah, the demon, he carves with delight an eternal trait, no end in sight. Victorian vapors mix with alpine chill. Krampus slices portions with a demonic thrill. Cats lap up the offerings, eyes like coals aglow. His customers vanish into the undertow. New work for the beast in the city's dark vein. Cat's meat man forever driving all insane. Krampus cat's meat man so grim, peddling